Okay, this is going to be a review on a product that I purchased recently, just a few days ago, and it's based on my experience using the product. So what this is a light. I go through a lot of lights in the shop. You know, I'm pretty rough on them. I'll destroy them. I got this from Harbor Freight, and I don't normally buy a lot of things from Harbor Freight. I do like Harbor Freight. You know, they're not paying me to do this, so this is purely my own opinion. But I needed a light, so I went over there to see what they had. I needed something mobile, one that I could stick anywhere, preferably with a hook or magnet, something on the light, or I could attach it to pretty much whatever location I was at on the vehicle or anywhere else. So this is what I ended up with. It was a slim bar, LED, rechargeable light. It's got a lithium-ion battery, I do believe, in this thing. The bottom here, it will unscrew. This is the magnet base. It also serves as the contact for the battery, but you can slip the battery out. You can actually purchase a replacement battery for this, which is totally awesome. I was not expecting that either. It's got a O-ring on the threads to help seal out moisture. The cool thing about this light is, number one, it's bright, and it has 3 modes. Those are 2, and then one on the end, a little flashlight type mode. And it's all controlled with one push button here, and it lights up. Woo, that's bright. So but anyway, this thing is awesome. I've used it 2-3 days now, and it lasts for a good long time before it needs a recharge. And when I say good long time, I used it for several hours right out of the box. Didn't even charge it, and it stayed nice and bright. But it's got a magnetic base on the bottom, and I'll show you some more like actually using it on the vehicle. But the base is really strong. It's not going anywhere once it touches some good, you know, sturdy metal. And it's, matter of fact, it swivels, and I did not know that until just a few minutes ago. This actually swivels. It rotates back and forth about 180 degrees, so 90 degrees each way, which is really nice, because when you attach this thing, then you can move your light bar to whatever position you need it in for the best illumination. But it's very heavy. It's made out of aluminum. It's very sturdy feel. Everything about it is solid. The positive click adjustments are very solid. I'm expecting good things out of this light. You know, you do want to be careful that you don't scuff and scar and beat the slim bar light LED portion of this around. You know, it can be damaged, so I try to be careful with that. But this is probably going to be one of the nicest lights I have ever purchased anywhere, and especially from Harbor Freight. Comes with a little charging cord here, a little USB deal. On the back of it right here, you pop this cover off and you plug it in right there, and it works very nicely. It illuminates red when it's charging, and then it turns green when it's fully charged, so you know when to unplug it. It does come with some instructions here, and you can see that's pretty much what they call it. That's what it looks like. So it's really nice. It's haven't even looked at this really, but you know, it's just got your typical information here. That's pretty much all that comes in the package. You have your instruction sheet, you have the flashlight, and you have a USB charging cord. Package is destroyed because I ripped it open and started using it right away, so you know, I can't go through all that fancy unpackaging and presentation and all that good stuff. I really don't care about that. What I care about is how well it works, and can I keep using it more than one day. I may end up with another one of these. I don't know. We'll see what happens. Buy one for the house, buy one for the shop, whatever. But this is an awesome piece. Hey, click, if you don't mind, give me a thumbs up on this. Click the subscribe button, and we'll see you next time when I have another video out there. I'm hoping to post some more videos on a regular basis. This channel has been around for a while, since about 2013. But to be honest with you, I just don't have the time to do a lot of videos. But here lately, I want to start posting some videos and some how-tos and just, you know, various things, mainly automotive or technical do-it-yourself type of videos. help you out in a jam if you have an issue with trying to troubleshoot a charging problem, for example, or brake work or whatever it is. Maybe I can put a video out there that somebody else may have missed some detail on. Something that will help you that, you see something in my video that you couldn't see in another. They're like, oh yeah, that's what I was looking for. So, that's the kind of thing I'm wanting to do for you. But anyway, hit that subscribe button. Give me a thumbs up. Let me know what you think about this light at Harbor Freight. I think it's well worth the money. And I use this professionally. I love it. Absolutely love it. So I think you will too. Have a great day.